Hey Curly Teas, today we're making a gentle cleansing shampoo using a great ultra-mild surfactant blend and 2 great herbs. Fenugreek is a very popular Ayurvedic treatment. It's said to help with shine and scalp health. Nettle leaf is said to help condition and soften the hair. It's also said to help soothe an irritated scalp. Cassia hydroxypropyl trimonium chloride improves slip at certain percentages. No pH adjustment is needed, unlike with guarcat. Fenugreek is a staple in Ayurvedic hair care. It's used for everything from adding shine to fighting against shedding. Fenugreek is also great to use in tea rinses and in spray bottles as you are retwisting your hair. Now you can use whatever amount you want. I'm just showing you how much I decided to use for this recipe. Nettle leaf is a staple herb in hair care. When applied topically, it's said to help condition the hair, to improve shine, and strengthen the strands over time. Look, shampoos are just meant to clean, but I'm testing to see if betaine will have any noticeable effect in this shampoo. Will it decrease lather? Will it make it feel less harsh, etc.? To make sure this preservative is dissolved well, you may have to heat it. Here's a tip. If your ingredient is sealed, use a pen to punch 1 or 2 tiny holes into the seal to better control the flow of the liquid. I personally love to use these squeezable bottles for shampoo. They are the types of bottles used for condiments like ketchup and mustard, so they resist cracking and dents quite well. See, this shampoo is not too thick, it's not too thin, and it lathers quite well. The shampoo does not make my hair feel like straw. It does what it's supposed to do. It cleans my hair without making it feel like straw, which is what I was going for. Enjoy the shampoo. Thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.